we are to part 4 about the OEM refresh. I did this off camera because it was just a little bit easier for me, just because I was kind of in the process of just doing stuff. I got the DCR witness tray put on. They have their own instructions, so just follow the instructions how to do it. And I have the oil pump pickup tube installed, and this was torqued to 200 inch-pounds, I believe. Obviously, I marked it. And I was going to use my older pickup tube, but then the guy I bought it from didn't give me like exactly what happened to it. He said, I think this would happen, and then there was like metal inside it. I was going to try to clean it out, and something severe happened, so I just ended up getting a new one. They're not that expensive. So now we're going to start doing is installing the excuse me, we're going to be installing the oil pan gasket, and normally you use bolts, but I got these. Let's see if I can get a better view from them on this angle. I got these studs right here from SRT4 gear. They're little studs, and they're going to come with their own nuts right there. And yeah, I really like the studs instead of the nuts. And it goes the entire way around. Every single place that needs to have a bolt is now going to have a stud. Easier for torquing down, less chance of it pulling out, less chance of it, cross-threading, anything like that, just to avoid any issues down the road. When you do the oil pan, it's going to have you put a little bit of RTV right here between where the oil pump and the block meet. This is probably the only time I think we've used this stuff here. Is the right stuff. I'm going to put a little dab here and a little dab over here. Kind of play with it, mash it down a little bit. Then we're going to be installing the actual oil pan gasket, which I got it from Modern Performance. It was just a Mopar OEM oil pan gasket. Put the oil pan gasket in. We're going to set the freshly powder coated oil pan on there, and then we're going to torque them to spec. So let me get some stuff set up, and then we'll get going. Alright guys, we put a little bit dab of RTV into the oil pan right here. Little flavor. Little flavor. Okay, oil pan gasket is going on. Make sure that the studs have the flat that is closed, and then you have your Allen style. Make sure you put them in there that way, the correct way. I'm going to put one here just to help guide it in. And put one here on this side. Okay. You want to leave just enough studs so when you torque these down, it goes a little bit past the nut. So keep that in mind when you are installing these. Alright guys, wall fan is officially installed. All our studs are in place. All the studs are looking pretty. And I believe the SRT4 gear ones are stainless, so you don't have to worry about them rusting up like the other ones do. So yeah, wall pan is installed. Okay, boys and girls, our short block is done. Besides the accessories, we're going to do the accessories when we're in the shop, but as you can see, it is officially done from a bare block to an assembled short block. We still have the head at the machine shop when it comes in. We'll be doing that as well, but here's what it looks like. I do like a clean engine and it looks really pretty. The other thing we haven't done yet is the rear main seal, but I'll do that once obviously it's off the engine stand and we're getting ready to put the clutch on. With that being said, thank you guys so much for everything. I appreciate the love and support from everybody, and I can't say that enough. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully the video won't be too long of a wait, and we can go in on that one. But thank you guys so much. Have a good one.